All right, this is about 40 birds of Sion bred birds, 100% pure, and some are crossed with some long distance birds, some Deverants, but these are what you're looking at right here. And I've still got some more that's weaning right now, but this is the bulk of the team. In about a week, we'll start training. Check them out. They haven't molted yet, but good quality stuff. Mostly silvers, red checks, and two reds that I bred together actually gave me a dark check splash, which was interesting. And what's they're bred in individual cages first, and so I'm guaranteeing as far as the parentage there, but it's just interesting. But when you read some of the old Heitzman literature on the Sions, you do see some of that happening there as far as the various colors formations you get, but predominantly there's silvers and reds and red checks. But these birds are healthy. I'm getting ready to, they're starting to slowly route right now, but they're all of different ages, and so that's the screw up part about this, is trying to manage everything. So what I'll do is I'll identify the older ones first by how long they're flying, and then looking at their wings to see which one is on their 5th and 6th flights, so forth and so on, and know that they're the older ones, and just put additional markers on them to kind of separate and let them know what's going on. Right here is Torch. Torch is doing real well, and the nestmate right here is Tiki, also doing well. But Torch, for some reason, I'm not sure what I fed him or anything, he dropped all his tail feathers. They're already starting to come out though. They're about maybe an 1.5 inches long, and the 10th flight, both sides. So it was just kind of interesting what happened to him here, but they're all growing back. But feeding more protein now. We'll see what happens. But overall, I'm quite impressed with my team. This is the one that got hurt, and she's flying real well now, and so despite of the gash and it's healing, it's hard, and so she's not showing any sign of pain. She wants to fly. So what I thought was more serious damage is not the case, but that'll once she molts those feathers out, those are just the antiseptic I put on there. But overall, I've got a team of about 45 Sions that I'm gonna start off with as far as flying, and I hope for the best. Now they're gonna be competing against JoJo's Jansons, some Bob Dura stuff, and my Deverants full, and my old school Huskin Van Reels, just to see how well they do. So it's a competition against the strains at the Anglico Loft in 2020. Louise right here and Huey right here, as you know, gave birth to Tiki and Torch. And what do we have here? Oops. Huey is defending Tiki and Torch's brother and sister, or brother and brother, or sister and sister. We'll know down the road. But they are beautiful.